नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। ऑनलाइन डिजिटल लेक्चर्स की सीरीज में आज हम एक और लेक्चर आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका कि टाइटल है सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज पार्ट सेकंड। And before starting the lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud to be a part of the best women's university in India, that is JVWU Jaipur. I welcome you all in repertory class on digital version 2.0 at JVWU platform as per schedule provided by the university having best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Now let's move on to the lecture. So the features of a good homeopathic software repertory are: it's a good homeopathy remedy finder, a good case potency selector, it gives access and print to the medical reports, it saves time when analyzing cases, it schedules new appointments and follow-ups, it upgrades their homeopathy treatment skills, it maintains homeopathic prescription and records, it helps homeopathic case check-in and access to patients' medical history. So these features a software repertoire should contain to help in your practice. So how it's a good potency selector? Any homeopathic software has an intelligent guide that selects the potency of the cases. It gives you advice about the potency. It is calculated in keeping with the sensitivity, patient's age, its mental and physical levels, etc. Then software also helps in connecting our neighbor practitioners and doctors with video conferencing features. So this VC feature is available in very advanced softwares nowadays. The computerization of our homeopathic literature represents one of the most significant advances of our profession in this century. I find my homeopathic software invaluable in daily clinical practice. We have in our literature some 400 reasonably well described remedies and 1200 plus additional remedies which are known fragmentarily. The task of getting along by a diligent and attentive study of materia medica is today next to impossible. We face the need to replace our 19th century reliance on full acquaintance with the specific effect of each drug with ready access to the resources of our literature. So nowadays the practitioners are a little more busy, so they have no time to study materia medica and remember it. Therefore, the help from software is a must. But the thing that software has, it has automation uh, feature for case analysis, but it has also a limitation that it it is gigo, yani ki it is garbage in, garbage out. Whatever data is input in the software is taken out whenever required. So, but nowadays we have certain softwares which includes artificial intelligence. It includes features which can think like human beings and can uh, generate some inputs which can help in our clinical practice. For example, with Holker's expert system, which is there in HomePath software, which thinks like Dr. Vitholkas itself and gives us suggestions for our case. So it generates some new knowledge over here. Now, comparison of the features of various software repertories. Several computerized repertory Materia Medica packages have been developed over past 20 years. Here we are discussing about 3 or 4 packages which are more commonly used. One is Kara, the other is Mac Repertory, third is Radar, and the fourth is HomePath. At the onset, it is important to state that none of these programs finds the remedy for a case. The task of case taking, the perception and organization of totality of characterizing symptoms, the choice of repertorial rubrics to represent this totality of symptoms, the differential consideration of the leading remedies, and the ultimate choice of simillimum, they all remain the task of carefully observant practitioner. It is just a tool. Repertory is a tool, software is also a tool. It is helping to apply our tool of repertory for the patients by helping us in case taking, in organizing our data, in choosing the rubrics, in differential consideration of the leading remedies, which we get after repertorization by giving good analytical tools. So no software is giving you the final remedy. It's ultimately the job of practitioner. Each of these programs represent a significant contribution to the homeopathic community. Each has its own set of strength and weakness. So we are going to discuss in the comparison of the software, what are their strengths and weakness. See the help feature. First of all, we will discuss about the help feature. In Kara, which is from Mikent Limited, which is the only program will let us search in all installed repertories simultaneously. It has good manual and online help feature. In Kara, we have got compare remedies tool, which is useful to educate ourselves about how the two remedies differ in final selection. That's a big thing which we require. In Mac Repertory, which is from David Whitco of England, there is no on-screen help. In Radar, which is from Frederick Schroyens, it is extensive searchable software. It is it provides context sensitive help. So Kara and Radar, they both provide help feature. Backrepertory is not having any help feature. Now the repertories these software contain. This Kara repertory is having Kent repertory, synthetic repertory, and additions from Vitholkas and Jeremy Sher. It has got complete repertory, Patak repertory, Boric repertory, Bonninghausen repertory, Julian's data, Allen's, Clark's, Murphy repertory, whereas the Mac repertory contains the complete repertory, Murphy's repertory, and extensive collection of historical repertories. Radar contains synthesis, Murphy's repertory, Kent's repertory, Bonnierson therapeutic pocketbook, Antisoric repertory, BBCR. So the main thing is which radar contains is synthesis and also Murphy and BBCR and BTPB. So the complete repertory by Roger von Zandvoort and synthesis by Frederick Schroens, they are the cutting edge works of homeopathic repertory development. So they go neck to neck. So this is all in software repertory part second. See you next with a new session entitled Software Repertory Part 3. At the end of this session, I'm going to give you an assignment in form of subjective question. And the question is, what various software repertories are available to the profession? And what are features of Kara? What are advantageous features of Kara over the other software repertories? Kara में क्या खासियत है जो अन्य सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज से बेटर अपीयर होगा? You have to tell. So see you in the next lecture, Software Repertory Part 3. Until then, goodbye and take care of your health.